If you didn't know previously, your Tesla includes a number of really cool hidden options and features that can greatly improve your driving experience. These are 10 Tesla secret features that are impossible to miss. If you're new here, consider hitting that subscribe button so you never miss a video. 8 cameras are included with every Tesla. One well-known security feature of Teslas is the employment of 4 cameras to capture activities while your car is parked and in sentry mode. However, several people are unaware that the Tesla app for iPhone and Android allows live access to these 4 cameras. You can remotely access your Tesla's cameras, flash the headlights, and sound the horn when it's in live sentry mode. Speaking with your Tesla's external speaker from anywhere in the globe,
"Take me to pizza,"
is just another awesome function. As long as live sentry mode is activated and you have premium connectivity. Very cool. All Tesla cars have connectivity, which is essential to the driving experience since it provides access to data-using capabilities like live traffic visualization, media and music streaming, and more. Standard connectivity is included with every Tesla, granting you access to the most basic navigation services. To access additional services including sentry mode, live camera viewing, satellite view maps, video streaming, karaoke, music streaming, and internet browsing, you'll need to pay $9.99 a month or $1.99 a year for the premium connectivity service. The majority of Tesla owners are unaware that the most of these functions are completely free with no subscription fees. The secret is to use Wi-Fi to link your Tesla to the hotspot on your smartphone. This will provide you access to core map and navigation features like traffic-based routing, trip planner, and supercharger stall availability, as well as video streaming, karaoke, music streaming, and internet browsing. It's ideal to have an unlimited plan with your carrier in order to use your mobile hotspot. You may access streaming services like Netflix, Spotify, TikTok, YouTube, Twitch, and more if you have a premium connectivity subscription or are linked to a hotspot on your phone. You may enhance the already outstanding range of streaming services available on your Tesla by opening the internet browser on your device and going to abettertheater.com. You may access streaming services such as HBO Max, ESPN, Paramount Plus, Apple Music, Amazon Music, and more by visiting this page. In addition, you can play other games like Tetris. It's simpler than ever to start streaming right away because of the user-friendly, responsive interface. You may bookmark the website to make it the first thing you see when you open your internet browser. It can happen, though we hope it never does, that the charging wire becomes caught in the charge port on your Tesla. It will not be possible for you to electronically unlock the charging connector using the main screen if this occurs at home or even at the Tesla supercharger. This can be annoying since it might not be possible to manually release the cord. Fortunately, there is a concealed latch on the upper left side of the trunk that may be used to remove the charging wire. Once you've located the cord, which may need some digging, you may manually remove the charging cable by giving it a tug. Instead of using the scroll wheel to change the speed, you can instantly reduce your speed to match the speed restriction by touching the speed limit icon on the screen if you ever find yourself traveling faster than the allowed limit when your car is on autopilot. If you tap the speed limit indicator, you can safely and swiftly reduce your speed in an emergency or to prevent getting into trouble with the law. There are various ways to tell your Tesla where you want to go, but the navigation system in Teslas makes it simple to look up an address and find your route there fast. You can wirelessly send an address to your Tesla and use it to navigate there if you have it on your mobile device. This can be done using addresses that you have been texted, emailed, or even found by searching for them online. To accomplish this, just long tap on the address and select Share with Tesla app. Your Tesla will then receive the location and begin navigating to it. To utilize the Tesla app, make sure your Tesla is turned on and that your driver profile is linked to it. Although the majority of drivers may be fairly familiar with this one, you might be surprised to learn that most of them are unaware of it. In case you were unaware, you can extend the sun visor on your Tesla by pulling it to the left or right once it has been folded down. This will reveal an adjustable rod that may be used to get greater coverage. Although you may already be aware that your Tesla's parking brake is engaged automatically when you park and get out of the car, Did you also realize that you may engage the parking brake manually? Holding the park button on the right steering wheel stalk will allow you to accomplish this. The parking brake will engage, and a parking brake icon will show on the main screen when you hold it for a short while. When parking on an incline or hill while still in the car, this can be helpful. Do you wish to find a quicker route to get home or to work? Swiping up or down on the navigation bar will speed up the procedure much more quickly than hitting the address bar. Selecting work or home, and then tapping navigate. You only need to swipe once to begin navigation to your place of employment or home. A battery icon in the upper left corner of your screen will always indicate how much charge is remaining in your Tesla. You can adjust how much distance you can get out of the current charge by tapping on the number instead of the percent that displays the amount of charge by default. A modest but practical hidden feature. This was the first of 4 parts, so stay tuned for the rest. Thanks for watching. Your support means a lot. See you soon.